Hello, welcome, and suswagatam. I am. I want to share something with you guys. Okay, let me. This is what my logic folder looks like. It is full of many failed projects from earlier. Project consistency, cliche, rap, YouTube, and you know what? Very recently, I was going through these folders, and I found this folder 006 Rendition album. और मुझे याद आया कि there was a time in past when I thought, it would be really good if I created an album of covers of old songs, and the songs have to be really cringe. Not cringe, but it should have a shocking value to the listener. Ki, oh, is गाने का rock? What? For example, I recently made किसी डिस्को में जाए गोविंदा सॉन्ग किसी डिस्को में जाए दैट इनटू अ मेटल रॉक वर्जन एंड आई लव्ड इट. मुझे ऐसा बकर मस्ती करने में बड़ा मज़ा आता है. एंड आई सॉ दिस लावारिस लॉजिक फोल्डर प्रोजेक्ट जो पड़ा था, एंड आई वाज लाइक शुड आई डिलीट इट और नॉट, बिकॉज आई वाज क्लियरिंग अप द स्पेस एंड पुशिंग द डेटा इन माई हार्ड डिस्क. सो फर्स्टली, let me just show you the info of this. This was created in last open 4th Jan. Okay, that is today. Today is 4th Jan. And it was created in 8th Feb 2024, which is, almost 2 years ago. Let's open the project. When I listened to it, thankfully, I liked it. I was like, okay, this can work. This still has a soul to it, and I have recently finished a song. So I'm single again, and I said I'm single again because it feels like that when you finish a project, you are like, okay, ab main kya karu? So possibly a good project to pick up from here. Now, here is when things get courageous. I want to share my journey of creating this project from the start, from the scratch, from empty on YouTube. I've always wanted to see this kind of content, someone creating something and then I just following their creative journey and how they work and what kind of challenges they face. And I want to show the same thing to you guys. Now let's look at the project. This is a 2-year-old project. Look at this mess. Oh gosh, just plugins after. All of these are processing on the sound. These are off right now, but they are there to be turned on later. Look at this, many cues and then many plugins here. Pitch correction, of course. I have shitty vocals. And this is on guitar. I don't know why pitch correction exists here, but this is on guitar. And no arrangement marking. This is so not me. There is a bass guitar. There is a little bit of vocals. There are drums, but मुझे याद है कि मैंने सोचा था drums mix karna is another pain, and I wasn't comfortable with it earlier. So I thought ki let's just do vocals and guitar and bass and let's see what comes out of it. So let me play something for you. This is how the song starts, and I forgot everything. I don't even know the chords at the moment. And this is my old Fender guitar. I don't like the sound of it. Oh, shitty bass. Alright, so it's that song. You na reh reh ke. Okay, here we go. Okay, firstly, this is the sound of a guitarist playing bass. I mean, I've improved now from earlier. These transients, I hate them. They're not smooth at all. I've marked this red because I do this जब मुझे खुद को बताना होता है later कि this is shit, record this again. So yeah. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take the chords and the idea and I'm gonna make a new project file. I'm not gonna work on this. Oh, by the way, let's listen to some more stuff. Okay. Cool. Like the chords. Really like the chords. Okay. Love it, love it, love it. I don't usually love my own stuff. Really. But somehow this is good for me. This is good for me. I can definitely listen to it as an audience if this was a finished product worked on. This is very raw, but I can imagine what this might sound like later. Okay. All right. Okay, let's move ahead. And then here is interesting stuff that I did. Listen to the bass. Okay, here comes my favorite part of the song here. Goes to major. Wow. Woo! Something about it. Okay, enough. So this is the project. This is the idea. This was Yash 2 years ago trying to make a song, a cover, and let's see how much justice I can do to this. I'm looking for something now, so I'm gonna work on this and I'm gonna keep documenting my work and I'm gonna put it on YouTube. So if you have stumbled upon this video, please subscribe and join this journey with me. It's gonna be very fun. I hope. No guarantees. All right, that's a wrap from here. That was the video for this time, and next time I'm gonna be joining with this beauty here. Say this beauty here. Say hi to my green guitar. I love it. And this cheap beast. This bass guitar, and these are not leggings, these are thermal wear. Yeah, got very defensive about my clothing right there. Okay, see you then.